opened a new window or not, how to close the new window, and we can also open a new window. So all these three things we are going to do in a single program. We are going to use the window object and the methods associated with window object to perform the different tasks. So let's get started. Start with Notepad. Start with the root element HTML, followed by the head tag script, so that I include the JavaScript over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create one new variable called as my window, define a function for three: opening the window, closing the window, and then checking whether the window is open or not. So the first function that I'm going to define is open window. Okay, so it is I'm going to use the window object. This variable that I have declared, the same one I'm going to use to store window object dot open method. Open is a method of the window object which is going to create a new window on your screen. And I'm going to give it blank. I'm not going to specify the URL. I've just given it as blank. Okay, right. Then I'm going to specify the width as 400 and height as 200. So what I have done over here in this function, simple, I have used the open method of the window object. I have created a new window which is of the size 400 in width and 200 in height. Alright. Then I'm going to I've created one function, open. Now I want to close the window, this particular window. So I'm going to create one more function, close window. You can write entire thing window. I've just written it in short, window, close window. But the first thing what you have to check is whether the window is open or not. You need to check that, right? If the window is open or not. Only when the window is open you can close the window. If the window is not open, can you close the window? You cannot do that. So I'm going to use the if condition to check whether my window is open. So if my window, that is if it is open, then what I am going to do, my window dot close. I'm going to use the close method to ensure that the current newly open window is closed. So I have defined two functions. One function for opening the window, another function for closing the window. Now I want to define one more function to check whether my window is open or not. I'm going to define here function check window to check the window whether it is open or not. But initially I'm going to create one blank message. Okay, that's why I've written message is equal to blank. Then if not equal to my window, then I'm going to give the message as was never opened. Like if you have not created any window, initially if you have not created any new window, and then if you're checking whether a window is open or not, then I'm going to display a message which says was never opened. Else, if the window was closed, if you had opened the window but now you have closed it, so again I'm going to check it if my window dot closed. I'm checking whether this method was called on the object my window. If it was called, then I'm going to give the message as is closed. Else, one more message which says is open. Alright. So we have taken into consideration three conditions, that is whether the window was open, closed or it was never opened. I'm going to write the document dot get element by ID message, because this is what I want to write on my screen. Inner HTML is equal to my window plus message. Alright, so my message should be displayed that window is open, window is closed, window was never opened, everything is going to be displayed. Now next I'm going to close the script tag, head tag, and then I'm going to start with the body tag. Now I'm going to define 3 clickable buttons for the 3 respective functions. Button on click, function name open win, that is for opening a window, open my window, and then I'm going to close the button. Okay, this is for opening a new window. Now for next button for closing, close window, I'm going to write it as close my window. Next, to check whether the window is open or not, so my button dot click, check window. Is my, I'm going to display a message which says is my window open. Going to give 2 break tags. Division ID is equal to message, close the divider, close the body tag, followed by the HTML tag. Alright, I'm going to click on save. You have to remember, I always save with the extension .html. Okay, I'll write here check window .html. This is my file. Open with Google Chrome. Okay, so what do you find on the output? You find 3 clickable buttons. The first button says open my window. If you click this button, then a new window is going to be opened. And if you want to close the particular window, you're going to click on close my window. And then you want to just check whether the window was opened or not. You're going to click on is my window open. So now before creating the window, I'm going to click on this button. Then it says my window was never opened. Initially I have not opened any window, right? So it is going to display a message saying my window was never opened. Now the next what I am going to do is I am going to open a window. So you can find a window is open which is of the width 400 and height 200. So one new window is opened. Now if I want to close the window, I am going to click on this button, close my window. The window is going to be closed. Now if I check whether my window is open, then let us see what will be the output. Previously when I clicked on this button, it said my window never opened. Why? Because I had not opened a new window. Now when I click, it says my window is closed. Okay. Next, one more thing you can just check over here. My window is open now, and then I am asking whether my window is open. Then I get a message which says my window is open. So in this way you can use the window object and its methods in your website designing to check whether when you are using the windows. Okay, so we'll continue in the next session. Thank you, students.